welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing great today. I am gonna go on a road trip down the nastiest bumpy road ever, but it's got some great turns, not a nice tight corners, so we're gonna have some fun. I don't normally take this car down that road because, well, it sucks, but I gotta go pick up some business clothes from a shop down there, and it's on the way to my sister's house. So we're gonna do it, see how rough it gets. And as always, I'm not gonna bug you for it, but if you feel like it, hit the subscribe. And it wouldn't be a trip without my fishing gear. I really gotta get rid of these doors. They're taking up way too much space. Fresh country air. Let's go. All right, let's get this show on the road. Love hitting the open road in the morning. So right now we're on our way to go pick up some business shirts, and then we'll be onto the windy roads. Pieces of tire everywhere and like 6 different marks of burnouts. Someone had some fun. Love it. Look at that. Oh, that's awesome. Now let's go hit the windy roads. On the cool side today, but you know what? The air smells fresh with the roof off coming in. It's a beautiful day for a drive. So much fun. I love it. Can't wait to get new suspension on it. Woo, potholes. Unfortunately, some of the speed limit is like ridiculously slow, but that's probably not a bad thing because of how bad the roads are. I mean, Canadian speed limits are terribly slow to begin with, so that's not out of the norm. Oh. I think the splitter hit the ground on that one. It's just brutal. It's brutal. But the way the road winds and bends, like, it's just so hard not to throttle into the corners. Ooh, baby. Oh, sweet jeebus. Woo! It's so bad. Oh, man. Unfortunately, I now caught up to a car and we're missing some great corners, but that's okay. Those are some nice corners, but man, she is rough. I think the construction guys were telling me to slow down or something, even though I'm driving the same speed, actually slower than the people ahead of me. Here we go, baby, it's highway time. Shifts are just delicious. Loving every minute of it. And I gotta let off some warning shots. My niece loves it. We've reached our destination. All right, we're at our destination. I got my fishing gear ready to go. Now let's go catch some fish. That's the end of the episode, and I'll see you in the next one.